Luxury is an alchemy.
The ingredients of luxury.
At Hôtel de Crillon.
First, atmosphere. That of a welcoming home. A light, a scent, an intimacy you don't see, but that you feel. Here, you feel at home.
Second, craft. Behind every detail, it's about repeating the same gesture day after day. It all comes down to proportion and precision. And every detail is tailored to someone. True luxury lies in what you don't see.
Third, service. It's all about creating connection. Little touches, genuine care, and everyone feels anticipated. Turning a moment into a memory.
And finally, the people who create it. Here, everyone is free to leave their mark. Each one builds a connection, and that's what gives our place a soul. Each one is an ingredient. Together, we create emotion. And for you, what is luxury made of?